Hi everyone, this is Anna back with another crafting video. Today we are not going to make a project. Today I am going to share a quick trick to hopefully save you some time when you are crafting. I'm going to start doing these videos where I'm going to do tips and tricks and card making hacks, just really quick things to, give you a better experience crafting in some way. So today's tip is to keep It's very simple, and I'm sure a lot of you already do this, but just to keep your card bases and your card fronts already prepared in your crafting area. Until recently, I had all of my cardstock, and anytime I wanted to make a card, I would go over to my full sheets of cardstock and pull out the color I wanted, cut it in half for my card bases. Start with your 8.5 by 11, cut it in half. Now you have a card base. I would do that every time I wanted to make a card. And, I decided to catch up with the times and cut a bunch of card bases and have them ready in this little basket right here. You could find these at the dollar store. So I cut a bunch in half. I used 3 or 4 sheets of each color. I cut them in half, organized them by color. Now, each time I want to make a card, I keep this right beside my table that I can reach it from where I'm working, and I grab the color I want. And I can make a card really fast. If I see that I'm getting down low, if I only have one left or I run out, then I grab 3 or 4 more sheets of that same color, cut them all in half, stick them in here so that I'm always ready to go with all of my colors. I also do the same thing with my card front pieces. These measure 4 by 5.25 inches, most of them, so they are the perfect size to stick on the front of a card. I use tons of whites, lots of vanillas, quite a few of our crumb cake and our light grays and those colors. So I have a lot of those in here. I have an assortment of other colors that I already have prepared as well. So keeping these ready and on my craft table where I can reach them or right beside it has really saved me a lot of time, and maybe this could help you too. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.